Hi everyone, I'm getting ready to go into CVS and I thought I'd share a deal that I'm going to do with you using extra care bucks, CRTs, and digital coupons. And I'll just go through all of those with you as I go along here. So the deal I'm going to do, Charmin Ultra and Bounty Select are on sale $4.99 a piece. And when I spend $15, I'm going to get a $5 extra buck. An extra buck is CVS cash. This is an extra buck that I received for doing another deal on a different day. So I'm going to use that just like cash. I'm also going to pair a CRT or cash register tape. These are CVS coupons that they send you through your app, or you can get them at the red box. Print them out and use them with your deal. This is a 2 off 8 paper product, so I'm going to pair that. Also in the ad, as you can see right here, there are dollar coupons that I could send to my card. These are the digital coupons that I'm talking about. There's one for Charmin and there's one for Bounty. So here's my deal. Excuse the chicken scratch. I'm going to get 2 Charmin and 1 Bounty. My total is going to come to $14.97. I'm going to use the $1 off Charmin. That will take it to $13.97. I'm going to use the $1 off Bounty. Digital coupons, remember. No buying newspapers, no clipping anything. They just download to your card. I'm going to use that $1 off Bounty. Takes me to $12.97. I'm also going to use the $2 off 8 CRT. That's going to take my total down to $10.97. Then I'm going to use that $5 extra care buck. That's going to take my total all the way down to $5.97. Plus any tax that I may have to spend. Now that makes all 3 of the paper products $1.99 each, plus any tax that I would have to spend. So that's a great deal. So I'm going to go do it. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.